Is it the motherfucking one? The only? The fucking... this looks terrible. Hey, how's it going? Look, you're joining me on this lovely Saturday. And my buddy. Ty, the motherfucking... Hi, guy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Gonna have a good time.
Alcoholic beverages in our body?
This body's a temple. But perhaps.
So. He would have wanted this. What do you mean by quick?
The fast way.
Heat! Oh! You motherfucker stop driving so reckless, man! Cut it out. Hey, bro, tell us a famous TY story.
One you have or have not heard before?
Just like YouTube friendly type shit.
Alright, well, okay. I've told you this story before, but I think it's still pretty fucking funny. Hold on, I gotta get over it. But, we was in, I want to say 7th grade, 8th grade. We was in STAR class. It was just like homeroom type shit. And there was this kid in our class, his name was Zach. And Zach was kind of a big guy, I'm not gonna lie. He was a pretty big guy. But he had really bad acne. And I called him Zachney at one point. And I got pushed across the 2 tables. And the teacher like told both of us, come back, like stay after class was over. And I was the one that got in trouble for it. Because I called him Zachney. But he pushed me across 2 tables. So
I like it. Hey, now you record me while you drive, and I'm gonna tell them a story.
Meg the Stallion, she's Italian. The hottie sauce, it goes good with the linguine. Probably doesn't.
I'm trying to figure out why they always got us in the middle of nowhere trying to catch these damn these wrestling shows, man. It seems like I'm always in danger to get slung.
We still 18 minutes away. 18 like Peyton.
I can't follow that up.
Look, they got Jaguar Gentleman Club. Detour.
You think it's cougars in there?
I know there's cougars in there.
Man, it's getting dark and shit. Tyler, a true navigator.
That's me. Fuck Speedway.
Tim's Baker.
Bro, I tweeted at Speedway for being trash the other day and they responded.
What'd they say?
They was like, they wanted to know what location I was at and all that, and I didn't give them no time of day because they ain't gonna fix the problem.
You should have told them the location and told them you found a roach and you fucking cocksuckers. One of them, unless my nigga can whip it too. Cause if we both can't drive it, you know what I'm saying? He be driving my car sometimes, but if he ain't drive it and handle it, I don't want it. We in that bitch motherfucking clowning. That shit funny.
Damn.
Man, we really out here. Wait, say it again, bro. You said, well, where we were at? Where?
Newcastle.
We really out there. And you said it wasn't no castle.
I don't see no castles.
Inside.
They look like a spot where there could have been a castle. Oh look, this looks like a good silhouette.
It did look pretty good. I seen that sun in the background. You know, he was about to read a poem or some shit. Rainy nights, looking nice, nice.
Bro, I wouldn't want to live right out here on a house by itself in the middle of nowhere.
Why?
Because, bro, people can. It's obviously could be like used as a murder house. Damn, we're getting real close. It's showing up on the GPS. Look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. It's getting spooky
0.8 miles away.
Can you give us a impersonation of Waluigi real quick?
I'm here at this wrestling event where I'm managing Blake Money Right. And there's nobody that can stand toe to toe with Blake Money Right in the ring. And that's not not thunder. That's lightning or frightening.
It's cold, brother. Wait a second. Charlie. Charlie. Oh, me, Charlie.
Hey, why are you beefing with the
They making back off this pizza in here. Got $2 a slice on the Little Caesars. They going.
Entering first.
There's nigga Tyler. He done ate his shit. You said what?
They said that he's a champion for like 20 minutes. He does not look like he's 205 pounds. Can I just ask if you guys are trying to see questions? Okay, thank you.
No.
Where we go?
I mean, I definitely want to go to it. Like, damn, what's the second closest one? Because I know once they're going to show it, it just depends which one you go to.
What are you gonna get? You can't beat me, Tatelli.
No.
Where we go?
I mean, I definitely want to go to it. Like, damn, what's the second closest one? Because I know once they're going to show it, it just depends which one you go to.
What are you gonna get? Referee Eric Reiner has ejected Agent Best Switcher. That's one.
You're not 205 pounds. He's at least 230.
I can't even see. He's not about to get this submission.
What are they doing?
He's trying.
What's going on here? What?
I think he's bleeding.
You piece of crap. The score is now 1-1, and there will be a 20-second rest period before the final fall, which will be contested under no disqualification rule.
Beating his ass in the corner and shit.
Come on, Steam's gonna get it done. Why are you running? Why are you running? He's a bum! Hey, dude!
Bro, that's sad. Their chemistry.
Didn't do the 3 count like you were supposed to. What's going on? You know what? You're fired as a referee.
Yeah! You suck! Bye! Nah.
Get out of here. Yes, I can.
Get out of here! Get him out of here, Mom!
Get
him outta here, Mom.
Properly.
Goodbye. That's right.
You're fired! Alright.
Look at Donovan, the new ref.
Introducing first.
Hey, you got a promotion.
Let's go, Donovan.
Yeah, Donovan!
You said what? No.
The lady right there in the blue just hit him in the face.
That's hard. I like the moves he already did though. Ooh,
Yay! Let's go, Donovan! Steve strike. Dylan Boston. Looking pretty agile.
Dylan Boston!
Oh! This is awesome. This is awesome.
this lady
Oh, here's highlight tape. Okay. Austin has leverage. Oh, he's going off. Let's go, Donovan. It's just the wind that was blowing.
I doubt it.
Neighbors knocking on the door, asking can we keep it down. Said, hey, no music on. Said, no, it's loud. That's not my bar.
Alright, guys. That was pretty fun. Pretty fun.
Hold on. Ready?
Look, I know y'all know that. I know that y'all know that. There was more show. There was more show to be had. The show was longer. It was called the Blizzard Brawl because it was like a Royal Rumble at the end. It was like 40 niggas in it, bro. Crazy. And they all fought, and it was like the old school throw them over the rope type shit. But man, that video was getting long as fuck, so I just decided to give y'all a break and let y'all get up out of here. But you know what it is, man. I know I've been absent for quite some time now. I was taking care of some personal issues and, you know, just getting on my shit, man. And sometimes, you know, you feel like you got a lot on your plate, but I'm about to get on this shit. I'm about to go hard on this. Oh, yeah. It's real story, and it's been a real story. Wait. Before y'all go, let me just let Ty tell y'all one last story. It's funny.
Bro,
Wait a second. You said, what'd you say, bro?
Bro, I used to have to go catch crickets for my stepdad's lizard growing up.
Wait a minute, man, bro.
I would have to catch like X amount of crickets or else I wouldn't be able to play. And I remember like trying to fake him, like have to catch 10. I remember I got like 8 thinking he wouldn't notice. He noticed. He said, let me count the crickets. Bro, and then he like, bro, I got grounded because he said I lied to him. I hated that guy. I was like fucking 9 years old. How you gonna be beefing with a 9-year-old?
Bro,
Straight
I'm just trying to figure out, like, look, you know how bad you want a motherfucker. Look, you know how bad you want a motherfucker to be out the crib, to be like, hey, motherfucker, go catch 10 crickets, nigga. Like, what, bitch? You know how long I'm gonna be gone, nigga? Fucking cocksucker.
We had this like little end of the cul-de-sac by the neighborhood. Like, he's like, go over there and catch him. Damn, bro, like in the cornfield.
Not only you gotta fucking go catch him, but he's telling you where to go catch them bitches.
Yeah.
Nah, nigga, walk this way, B. Walk that way, B.
I was just trying to go to the side yard and the backyard. He's like, no, go to the cornfield. Like, damn, he sent me to the cornfield.
Bro.
Like, it wasn't that far.
Hey, man, he was plotting on
me to the
Hey, he was plotting on knocking you off one of them days. He said one day I'm gonna send him back there and I'm gonna go back there and I'm gonna flash his
Bro, one time I got in trouble because, bro, I'm not gonna lie, that dude, he knew how to cook. And sometimes I would raid the fridge and I'd take something I wasn't supposed to. One time he's like, you know what? Well, I haven't told your mom this, but I'm thinking about making something and I've been putting poison in it. I'm like, damn, you're gonna poison a fucking kid? God damn. This dude's fucking evil, man. Evil as fuck, bro. I used to get chapped lips like really, really bad.
Hey, bro, that nigga said poison it, bro.
Bro,
what
I used to,
in the
bro,
fucking Cruella de Vil is
Let me
this?
just tell you how much of an asshole this guy is, okay? When I was like really young, I used to get like really bad chapped lips. I'm probably talking about like 5 years old, 6 years old. Bro, he came into my room one time, talking on the phone, and he saw my lips chapped. He came in, he squeezed them until they bled.